Hello, welcome to this tutorial on PySpark and Databricks. Today we are diving into a critical aspect of the data engineering schema comparison. We will write a user-defined function or UDF to compare the schema of an incoming data frame with an existing delta table. Whether you are ensuring data integrity, automating pipeline checks, or managing schema changes. This technique is invaluable. Stick around to learn all about it. First, let's talk about the purpose of this code. The goal is to validate and compare the schema of two data sources, a data table and an incoming data frame. Why is this important? Because mismatches in schemas can break your pipelines or cause data integrity issues. With this UDF, we can systematically identify discrepancies, including missing columns, type mismatches, and other inconsistencies. Now we'll start by importing necessary libraries. Specifically, we use function from PySpark for UDF creation and PySpark SQL.types. For defining schema types, then defining the compare schema function here. Function which aspects two arguments, the schema of the data frame and the schema of a delta table. And now in this stage we focus on extracting full information inside the function. We extract column names and their data types from both schemas into the dictionaries. This allows us to efficiently compare the schemas. Here df fields, df underscore fields, and delta underscore fields are dictionary where keys or column names and values are their data types. And now in next stage we use a union operation to combine all columns from both schemas. This ensures no column is left out during the comparison. Okay, and next stage here. For each column, we check its presence into both schemas and compare their data types based on the result. We assign one of the following status: match, mismatch, missing in source, or missing in destination. Okay, and finally here, the function returns a list of tuples. Each tuple contains the column name, its source data type, destination data type, and the comparison status. And in a stage, we can also register this function as a UDF for using PySpark jobs. Okay, and next piece of the code here. Creating schemas. Let's move on the mock example. We define two schema, one for delta table and another for the incoming data frame. Notice the difference between the two schema. Here, the delta table columns schema include age, but incoming DataFrame schema includes salary. This will result in mismatch or missing columns. Okay, and here compare schema. We can use the compare schema function to compare the schemas of the two sources and displaying result. Next, we create a PySpark data frame from the comparison result and display it in tabular format. Okay, let me execute 2 pieces of code. Okay, here. Oh, so good. As shown, the function correctly identifies match, mismatch, and missing columns. That concludes our walkthrough of the schema comparison UDF in PySpark. By using this function, you can automate schema validation and ensure data integrity in your pipeline. Check out the GitHub link in the description for the full code. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy coding. Bye.